A curious young girl named Emma lived in a colorful little town nestled in the heart of Mexico. One sunny morning, as she strolled through the market square, she noticed a colorful poster on a bulletin board. It was announcing the arrival of a traveling circus, showcasing thrilling acts and wondrous spectacles. Among them was a mysterious and skilled fighter named Leo, renowned for his prowess in the ancient martial art of kung fu. Emma was intrigued. She had never seen anything like this before, and something about the idea of the circus captured her imagination. With trembling excitement, she decided to attend the show that evening, hoping it would help her find the courage she sought. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Emma entered the circus tent, her heart pounding with anticipation. The audience cheered as the performers dazzled them with their talents. Finally, the moment arrived when Leo, the fighter, stepped into the spotlight. Leo was a tall, muscular man with a calm demeanor. He moved with grace and precision, displaying his martial arts skills with mesmerizing fluidity. Emma watched in awe, admiring his confidence and control. After the performance, the circus owner announced that Leo would be taking on challenges from the audience in friendly matches. Emma's heart raced with excitement and nervousness. She hesitated for a moment but found herself standing up, slowly making her way to the center of the ring. Leo smiled warmly at Emma, sensing her apprehension. "Don't worry, little one. This will be a gentle bout," he said kindly. As the match began, Emma was cautious, unsure of her abilities. She attempted a few simple moves she had seen Leo perform, but her lack of confidence hindered her performance. Despite her efforts, she was swiftly defeated. Embarrassed, Emma started to walk away, but Leo gently called her back. "Don't be discouraged," he said softly. "Everyone starts somewhere. With practice and dedication, you can become great." Humbled by Leo's words, Emma decided not to give up. She attended the circus every night, studying Leo's techniques and practicing on her own. Leo noticed her persistence and dedication, and soon, he became her mentor and friend. Under Leo's guidance, Emma's skills improved steadily. Her confidence grew, not just in her fighting abilities but also in herself. She discovered that bravery didn't mean being fearless. It meant facing fears head-on and pushing through them. Years passed, and Emma's reputation as a fighter and protector grew beyond Mexico. She traveled from town to town, helping those in need and inspiring others with her courage and compassion.